Happy birthday to you!
Dili, dili, dili.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Grabe! Bakit ako binibidyo na
Happy birthday to you! Ayan na nga!
Thank you!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Mono itan!
Kasi dito kay Mami.
Oh. Halika kayo dito Ate Jo. Doon.
It's your special day, time to celebrate. Best birthday to you, you're the star today. Happy best birthday, dear Abby. Blessed birthday to you. May your dreams come true, Abby. Your dreams come true. May your dreams come true, Abby. Happy birthday to you.
Tsaka hindi ka palagi at tsaka at tsaka paprotek ka sa masasamang sakit. Thank you.
Wow.
Kisa kay Mami.
Next.
Ito naman si Buboy ko.
Uy.
Dali na. Ako na. Happy birthday, Mother. Sana tawagal ko pa sa Earth at sana, at sana magtagal pa kayong buhay dahil wala nang magkasaway sa akin pag ako'y umuwi ng gabi na. Naway, gumaling na rin yung tayo, Mami. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Thank
Si Leslie naman.
Sana mag-success yung business mo at gabayan ka ng Panginoon. Sana walang mga rin masaya. Ayun lang.
Yay! Happy birthday! Si Ate Nicole.
Healthy po palagi tsaka maraming blessings na dumating lalo.
Thank you.
Woo! Si Ate Jo!
Happy birthday na lang.
Wow!
Si Matos.
Si Matot.
Happy birthday, my beloved niece. I love
Wow!
you so much. Wish
Anong regalo?
wish you all the
Lupa.
my gift is 1 million.
Wow!
Mami, ilan taon ka na? 43? Matanda na ako.
Mami, budget ko! 50,000.
Wow! Where's Ate Miyaka?
Ay, ako. Ang wish ko sa agam ko ay maging healthy siya at saka syempre
Huwag na magdaragdag ng
hindi magsasawang suportahan ng mga batang to sa kanilang mga pangarap at saka iiwas sana siya sa mga mga masasamang tao, mga masasamang loob at saka more businesses to come. That's all. Happy birthday!
Thank you very much.
Happy birthday.
Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you po. I
Welcome.
love you all.
Tomorrow we will celebrate.
Picture Abby.
Today we're going to celebrate Mommy M's birthday. 40th birthday.
Wait! Ano? Shout out to Teacher Joar.
What else?
And shout out to M's Mommy M's.
Wow.
Shout out to Teacher Joar.
Alright. Ito na yung birthday girl.
Let's go! Swap, swap, swap the food chong. Let's go! Za, 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 chun, yeah, ho!
Maluwag pa ang parking. Yan. Kayo muna. Kasama. Isa pa. Ako lang. Yung last. Ay, ito pala. Ba't pahuli-huli ka, kuya? Yan, kain lang kayo, kain. Me. Kanta na! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Yun lang? Ay, tumatok pa. Ba't inihipan mo na? Kanta tayo, kanta. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. tayo. So, ito na ang mga attendees sa birthday treat ni Mami Ems. Ano masasabi nyo guys? Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Lalo na yung birthday celebrant.
Pag naaawa ako kasi
Birthday celebrant.
naaawa ako kasi na-stress si Mama M.
Wala man na na-receive na gift pero ako pa rin bigyan sana ng gift.
Okay.
Sana lahat sila ay masaya sa mga binigay kong gift sa kanila.
You will be blessed. And that's it for today's video.
24?
I'm hungry na. I want to eat
Ano,
more
26?
sotanghon.
26.